They're famous for their skill at capturing bees and wasps in flight. This remarkable footage shows the bird knocking the stinger out of the bee and then squeezing the body to get rid of the venom. A properly squeezed bud is the perfect gift for a potential mate. A single bird can catch over 200 bees or wasps a day, all in midair. When she's had her fill, she'll bow to tell her partner she's ready. Mating could produce up to 10 eggs. The whole community raises the chicks communally, a behavior extraordinarily rare for birds. Just beyond the sandy cliffs lurks one of the bee eater's strangest neighbors, the 3-foot-long glass lizard. Its name comes from its remarkable ability to snap off its tail if threatened. The tail shatters